And the race is on. Dolbelia from the outside, Miss Elliot. Holly Ridge in the middle. Down on the inside, both ball rushing up is My Hope. And on the outside is Mooney Money, Trinity Moon, Negligee. That's Miss Elliot, followed by Holly Ridge, Dolbelia. Running from the outside is Trinity Moon. In the middle is Mooney Money. Negligee is racing 6, running in 7th. Both Fierce Fighter and My Hope is now running at the tail of the field as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Miss Elliot, this time by some 5 lengths, followed by Holy Ridge. Mooney Money and Trinity Moon fighting out for second and third position. Dolbelia is racing in 5th. Negligee running in 6th. Bo, My Hope and Fierce Fighter passing the half-mile post. Miss Elliot by only 4 lengths. Mooney Money alongside is Trinity Moon. Holy Ridge, Dolbelia, Negligee from the outside, Fierce Fighter. And rounding the far turn, Miss Elliot by a length and a half. Mooney Money from the outside, Trinity Moon, Negligee by the rail, Holy Ridge, My Hope, Fierce Fighter, Dolbelia, and Botbo as they race the final corner. Mooney Money, Miss Elliot, Trinity Moon, My Hope racing by the rail. Entering the last 150, Mooney Money, followed by Trinity Moon. Fierce Fighter is on the outside. Mooney Money, Fierce Fighter from the outside, Trinity Moon. And finally, Mooney Money, Fierce Fighter, Trinity Moon, Botbo, My Hope, Holy Ridge, Negligee, Dolbelia, and Miss Elliot.